Hi everyone, it's Yanis here with a new episode to help you build better daily structure and be in control of your life. More and more people are becoming addicted to their phones, and this affects people's attention span, memory, and other health-related issues. So in this video, I'll share 30-day plan and steps that you need to take in order to break up with your phone. This plan is based on Catherine Price's book called exactly that, How to Break Up with Your Phone. If this is your first time on this channel, then make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updates on my latest videos on time management and productivity. Now, breaking up with your phone is not meant to be a suggestion that you should sell your phone and return to the Stone Age. But we all know that excessive smartphone usage has plenty of negative side effects, and I hope that this plan will help you to reduce your phone usage to optimal levels. So how do you know that you're addicted? Luckily, there is a simple test that you can take. It is called Smartphone Compulsion Test. It has 15 questions and it takes about 2 minutes to complete. Once you submit the answers, you'll get instant results. If you're curious if you're addicted to your smartphone, then I'll link the test in the cards and a description below. If you decided to go ahead and do the test, then I'm curious to know how many points did you get. So go ahead and drop your score in the comments below. And now it's time to dive into the 30-day process where we'll go through the plan step by step to learn how to break up with your phone. Day 1 and 2. Track how much time you spend on your phone. First thing that you need to do is to understand your current situation, and you can do that by simply tracking your phone usage for a couple of days. Don't worry, you'll not have to write down every time you use your phone, because there are free apps out there that can actually do it for you. The goal of this step is to understand how much time you spend on your phone currently, so that you have a data that you can use later. Day 3 and 4. Pay attention to your feelings. During these days, you have to pay attention to how you feel when you use your phone. You can split it in 3 phases: before, during, and after using your phone. This will raise your self-awareness and help you identify when you really need to use your phone and when you use it instinctively. The goal eventually is to use your phone when you really need to do something and stop using it as a time waster. Days 5 till 7. No social media. These 3 days will raise the stakes and slowly move away from apps that usually waste most of our time. And these are social media apps. This includes Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. One of the simplest ways to do that is to simply delete these applications from your phone. Don't worry, you'll not lose any of your data. You simply won't have an icon to tap on to waste your time, and also you won't get all these notifications that constantly distract you. Day 8. Disable all your notifications. Here we go a step further and disable all the notifications. This will ensure that you only pick up your phone when someone is calling or when you really need to use it. Maybe you need to find the location, so you would use a Google Maps, or maybe you need to do some calculations, so you would use a calculator. Day 9. Do the house cleaning. Today, we sit down with our phones and delete all the applications that we don't need or we haven't used for the last 3 months. I try to keep my phone very clean, but even then there are always a bunch of applications that I need to delete when I do my quarterly cleanup. Pro tip: if you're not sure if you need the application or not, then delete it. In case you will need it after 3 months, then you can simply download it again. Day 10. Set up charging station that is not in your bedroom. The reason why you use your phone so often is because you have it handy at all times. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to get it outside your bedroom. And for those who use phone as an alarm clock, the solution is simple. Just order an alarm clock from Amazon or any other store. You need to have a charging station outside your bedroom, so you're not tempted to use your phone before the bed and first thing in the morning. Day 11 and 12. Get some books to read. Because you just moved your phone outside of your bedroom, there will be some free time for you. Use this time to read, meditate, or do anything else that doesn't involve your phone. If you don't have a replacement activities, you'll quickly find yourself being pulled back into using your phone, and you have to avoid it at all costs. Day 13 and 14. Establish phone-free zones. We just discussed moving out your phone from the bedroom in the evenings. Now it's time to take it a step further and establish phone-free zones and phone-free times. You could start with introducing the rule that you will not use your phone during the times when you are having a dinner or lunch. Days 15 and 16. Focus on yourself. Weeks 1 and 2 were more about the phone. Weeks 3 and 4 are more about yourself and how you're going to use the time that you now have. Maybe you can finally start to exercise. So start a gym membership or get yourself a running shoes so you can start running consistently. Days 17, 18. Do some concentration exercises. This can be as simple as just sitting calmly for 2 to 5 minutes and focusing on your breathing as you inhale and exhale. This will strengthen your willpower and therefore you'll be more likely to resist that temptation when you want to reach for your smartphone next time. Days 19 and 20. Do not use your phone. This will be the first big challenge. Trial separation. You have to switch off your phone and put it in a drawer for 2 full days. Don't panic, it sounds worse than it actually is. Nothing will happen if you switch off your phone, unless some of your friends report you to the police as a missing person. Day 21 to 23. Reflect on time without smartphone. After your first 2-day breakup, it's time to sit down and reflect back on what you liked and what you didn't about being without your phone. Probably you'll realize that actually it is possible to live without your phone and hopefully use it less in these few days. Days 24 to 26. More house cleaning. It is time to do another house cleaning. I know a couple of weeks ago you already did it, but I'm sure that you can go further. How about unsubscribing to all the spam emails that you're getting every day? I am sure that you could save at least 15 to 30 minutes every day if you did that. Days 27 to 30. Monitor your phone behavior. Last 4 days you can use to assess how your relationship with your phone has changed. You will definitely see the difference in how you use your phone. Did you remember days 1 and 2? Now it's time to compare the stats and see how much phone you used before and what is data showing now. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and even if you don't follow this guide step by step, at least you learned some individual strategies that you can put in practice. Maybe you decided to do a little bit of a cleaning and delete all the apps that you don't use anymore. Or maybe you'll try not to use your phone for 1 full day to reduce its usage. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure you hit that like button. And if you have any questions about time management and being more productive, then leave them in the comments section below. If you want to learn how to set better goals, make better decisions, and build solid structure in your life, then check out my free Productivity Mastermind course to take your productivity to the next level. Also, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my upcoming videos.